What's up, my little chanas? I'm back. So if you don't know, it's carnival season. It's Trinidad carnival season. I'm not Trinidadian, but I like to think at heart I kind of am. I love soca music. Like, I love doubles. I love chow. Anyway, it's carnival season and I just wanted to do this really quick eye tutorial for you guys. Those of you that are going, I just feel like carnival is just all about color and glam and sparkle and gems and just fierceness and just living life to the fullest, not giving a damn if your eyeliner is running, you're chipping down that road, your back hurts, your feet hurt, but your makeup is slaying. That is what it's about. Today I'm going to be using this palette. It is another Juvia's palette. I know I'm obsessed, but honestly they have the best colors and the best payoff, and it's just affordable, and I can't find anything I personally love that much in shadows to compare to it. And look at the colors. I don't really have a plan. I'm just going to be winging it, so I'm not going to be doing a talk through because I don't really know what I'm going to be doing. I don't really know what I'm talking about. So just watch as I recreate myself. Oh my god. One eyebrow is bigger than the other. Girl, what's happening? Alright. This one was just trying to run down my cheek. Alright, cool, we're even. We're back. So if you want to see a cool, fun, colorful carnival look, just keep watching. Okay, so I know I said this wasn't going to be a talk through, but I just wanted to just throw this out here. This is a very dramatic look. So if you see me taking my eyeshadows way above what they're normally supposed to be, like with the crease, like way above into the brow and up in here, just go with it. And I'm going to be also winging out the shadow a lot. It's just going to be a very extreme video. So don't think I'm like going out this way. I'm not.
Hindsight is fleeting, when your heart's bleeding, and all you can see is red, till you discover it is within each other to forgive and make amends. If I had known then, or what I know now, I wouldn't have said what I said. I took the long road, thought I'd be better on my own. Sometimes what's right is wrong instead, 'cause I was too young, and I didn't understand that you are the one, and I can't wait to see you again. Oh, I can't wait, I can't wait, I can't wait. was too young, and I didn't understand that you were the one, and I can't wait to see you hindsight is fleeting, oh, and your heart's bleeding, and all you can see is red. Till you discover it is within each other to forgive and make amends. If I had known then, or what I know now, I wouldn't have said what I said. I took the long road, thought I'd be better on my own. Sometimes what's right is wrong instead. 'Cause I was too young, and I didn't understand that you were the one, and I can't wait to see you again. Oh, I can't wait, I can't wait, I can't wait. 'Cause I was too young, and I didn't understand that you were the one, and I can't wait to see you again.
So this is my version of what I think a carnival look should look like. I've never been, so I had to use like a necklace up here as a headpiece. But I've seen what the outfits look like, and they do kind of have like these jewel headpieces and necklaces and bras. And I added some glitter as my highlight because anyways, thanks so much for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe, share, talk about it, send it to your friends, send it to your mom, send it to your grandma, send it to your grandma back home in Trinidad. Be like, hey grandma, see y'all in Trinidad. I'm not really going though. I wish. 1 year. Ever? I don't know. Whatever. I should have been listening to soca music, right? I wasn't. And I'm wearing a DJ Rara shirt. Like, what was I thinking? Got glitter everywhere. Oh my god. Do you know what that's gonna be like to clean it?